Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what to be expecting for the week on our GBP JPY. So if you are yet to subscribe to the channel and you've done that, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's start with our trend on GBP JPY. So very much we are trending to the upside. Our overall trend is an uptrend move, so we are trending upward. But if you take a look at what market is doing, which is our current trend, we have the main trend, we have the current trend. Our main trend is an uptrend move. When you take a look at our current trend, we are ranging. So we are ranging within this level, which is more visible when you go to your 4-hour time frame. So you can clearly see it. This is our resistance. This is a false breakout. This is our support level. This is also the false breakout. Now market has pushed back in. It has come back to a test our support level. Our next movement on GBPJPY is this movement that should cut to tap our resistance level. So for this week, we should be expecting GBPJPY to give us that bullish move till it eventually tap this our resistance level. Once it taps our resistance level, we would most likely see it drop again. So every of this updated or every of this move would be updated. I'll be giving you guys the back-to-back updates on everything that markets will be doing. So subscribe if you've not done that. Follow and follow the Telegram channel also to stay updated. I'll put the link in the comment section.